Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download the Windows 10 ISO file directly from Microsoft. So this is completely legitimate, and we're going to be using an actual Microsoft created and promoted utility. So we're getting it right from Microsoft's website here. So this is going to be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. The ISO file, that's if you're going to be reinstalling Windows 10, installing it on another computer. It's not going to activate another version of Windows that isn't supposed to be activated. It just is going to be the ISO file, which is provided by Microsoft. So we're going to go ahead and just open up a web browser here. Doesn't matter which one, but we're going to just open up Chrome. But we're just going to open up Chrome for today's tutorial. And you want to navigate over to google.com. And into Google, just type in Media Creation Tool, Windows 10, and just search for it. One of the best results should be from a Microsoft web page here, download Windows 10 disk image ISO file. And this is hosted on Microsoft.com directly from the creators, so just go ahead and open that up. Scroll down and select where it says Create Windows 10 Installation Media. Go ahead and select Download Tool now. Once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And once that's done, go ahead and select Accept. Select Create Installation Media, USB flash drive, DVD, or ISO file for another PC, and then select Next. At this point, you can uncheck the option to use the recommended options for this PC in particular, and then you can set the custom one depending on what you're trying to install and for what type of operating system architecture. And then once you're done setting that up, you would just select Next, and then it would go ahead and give you the option to do a USB flash drive or an ISO file. Select ISO file. You will need to burn this ISO file to a DVD later. Select Next, and then you would select the output destination location for this ISO file, and then you would just select Save. And then this will take some time to run. I'm not going to sit through the whole process here because Windows 10 is definitely a decent sized download. It's going to be several gigabytes in size. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do this. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.